Well, good afternoon and welcome to Sew Like a Pro Quilters Edition. Since I retired and COVID, I always wanted to learn how to make beautiful quilt, not granny type quilts. So this is one of the projects that I started. I really like it. It's really simple, but it is time consuming. So let me show you some of the things I did. I bought a bunch of fabrics from Walmart, so it's affordable, and I used the black and white and the color solids from the Waverly collection. And I'm starting on the second part of it, which you can see on the table. The other, I'm flipping it. The first sets I did prints, black and white prints with color borders. This time I'm gonna do the solids and do the black and white print for the border. To show you simply what I did, I cut strips. My squares, first of all, are 5 inches wide, and then I cut strips 5 inches wide, and I stitched the strips. And what's wonderful about this project is that I used the serger to sew everything together. So I sewed these two together first, this side and this side, and then take it and cut strips, press it, then cut strips to this width. So then you can see these are too short of 5, 5, and these are like 6, 6. Then we press them. I clean them up and make sure they're all equal in size around all the edges. Then we take them and we sew a short end to a long end. So 3 pieces, 1 solid piece. We stitch those together, and then we flip it and do the opposite, and you see how they look like it's weaving in and out of the seam. So easy. And that's how you get the double border, the different colors. So what I have to do is take my pattern and lay it on the floor in the living room and get it set up the way I wanted it to go. And then I pinned all the sections together, and then I stitched them one roll at a time so I can make sure that I didn't mess anything up or throw anything off. Then I wanted a border, so I took the same black piece with all the different black and white sections. I think I had 17 different black and white pieces, and then I have 24 different solid colors. So then I took the stitch 2 together, offset them just a little bit, and serge them together. As you can see, this takes a lot of time, but then you see where the black and whites, they like offset one another, and then I cleaned it up and cut it to the width I wanted it finished, and then attached it to my quilt. So really it's an easy project, but it is time consuming. I say make yourself a beautiful quilt. Artwork, hang it on the wall, put it on your bed, but make it timeless and seasonless. And definitely this is a gift that somebody would really enjoy. They would look at it and love it. Not just thank you because you did it, but they would really enjoy it. So may God bless all your sewing, knitting, crocheting projects. Make time to do art every day. See you soon with the next finished project.